You were fine all this time, I was inside out.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl Nkem. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I do my cornrows, so relax and keep on watching. And if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, what are you waiting for, babes? Please hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss my next upload. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and leave your comment in the comment section. So without further ado, let's just go right into this video. So I'm going to start with parting my hair. I'm using my take home to part my hair, and I'm also be needing my shine and jam gel for this hair. I'm just going to start parting my hair now. My hair is already washed, like I washed my hair a day before today, so it's freshly washed. I'm just going to do the comb.
Put my heart in your hands till it came back round. Didn't think that you'd fallen so deep. Didn't know that I had it in me. Guess my sanity breaks away too easy. Bring it to a heart, back down. Bring it to a heart, you're back and it's all your fault.
For these cornrows, I'm making 10 cornrows, so I'm just going to part this side in 5 and this other side in 5. So I'm going to just start from the middle and then work my way downwards.
Back down. Bring it to a heart, you're back and it's all your fault. Back down, back down, back down, back down. That's how it was and that's how it is.
To start weaving, I'm going to make use of my right hand and my left hand. Both are going to be working as I weave. So I'm going to just section my hair in 3. You can as well take out a little section first at the front and then section it into 3. Like make it into 3 like this. And then start weaving. I'm going to take the one on my right and then move it to my left. As I'm going, I'm grabbing hair bit by bit. So I'm going to take the one at the middle to my right and then take the one on my left to my right hand and grab a little quantity of hair and then just pass the one on my right to my left hand side and then take the one at the middle to my right hand. So just continue taking from your left. I'm going to take the one from my left hand to my right hand and then pass the one from my right to my left. I don't know if you guys understand that, but this is just basically what I'm doing. Just passing hair from my right hand to my left hand. Taking the hair, just adding up hair bit by bit as I braid. Just taking it bit by bit as I braid. Take from my right, take from my left to my right, and then grab the one at the middle to my left, and then take from my right to my left, then the one at the middle, grab it to my right. So basically that is just it for cornrowing. I'm going to show you guys another of this. Like I'm going to repeat this process again so you guys can see what I'm doing or how it's being done. So basically I'm just taking from my take the one at the middle to my right hand, and then the one at this left hand, I'm going to take it to the right hand. As I'm taking it, I'm using my right hand to grab a little quantity of hair, and then the one at the middle, I'm going to take it to my left hand side, and then, you know, the one at the right, take it to my left again, take the one at the middle, and then just like so. I believe you guys are seeing what I'm doing, because this first one, I'm not just rushing it, I'm just taking it slowly so that you guys can see properly what I am doing.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose my.
So guys, I'm repeating the process again. I'm just going to section my hair, This is one of the hardest parts when you're doing your own cornrows. Even me, I find it difficult to plait my hair. It just makes the whole process takes a lot of time, unlike when you're doing it on somebody's hair. This just takes a few minutes and you're done. But when it comes to my own hair, when I'm doing it on my own hair and trying to make sure that the lines are straight, guys, that is where the work is. So I'm just going to plait my hair and then use my shine and jam gel. I'm going to use my shine and jam gel to put on the lines and then straighten it up again. That is if it is not straight. So I'm going to use my ratty comb, take a little section of the hair at the front, just a small quantity, and then use my hand, this is my right, this is my left, to section the hair into three parts, and then take from my left hand to my right hand, and then take again from my right to my left hand. As I'm doing this, I'm just going to be like picking the hair from the back bit by bit, just taking little quantity of hair from the back bit by bit. If you want to make the front brush, like if you want the brush to be longer than this, just make sure that you're not taking this little quantity at the front. I'm going to show you guys how to do that in the next one. If you want the hair not to start from here, like the front like this, and you want it to have something like a brush before it's like you start weaving it, what you have to do is like take a little section here at the front, take this quantity at the front and just share it into three parts and then start braiding. You see that way you have a brush look here. You have this brush here, but that is not what I want to do, so I'm just going to continue with the normal process I was doing before. After parting my hair, I use the shine and jam gel and apply on it. I'm just going to straighten it up some more so it's, you know, super sharp and clean. So guys, I'm repeating the process again. I'm just taking a little section of the hair at the front. I use my ratty comb to part it at the front, and then I'm going to section this into three. Just section this into three and then use my left finger and pass through at the middle. Grab the hair at my right hand, and then this way, the hair at the middle, I'm going to use my right hand to take it, and then, you know, pass my right hand again to my left hand side, and then grab the hair at my left hand side, then use my left hand side to grab the hair at the middle. So as I'm weaving, I'm just going to be taking the hair bit by bit. You guys see, just pick the hair like that, little by little. Repeat the process here again. Pick the hair again, grab the one at the middle, go to the right hand side, and then grab the hair again, just bit by bit. One thing with making your cornrows is that you just have to keep practicing the process. The first result might not just come out nice, but as you keep practicing, you just find out that you're getting it bit by bit. And if you guys notice, the lines are straight. Before now, they're not like this. Like, I find it like I struggle to part my hair before now, but luckily for me, this one is straight, so it's a win-win, you guys. This is a win-win for me today. And if you're struggling with parting your hair and making your lines straight, just keep doing it, and for sure you're going to get it one day. So guys, this is 3, like it's always like 3 sections when you're doing your cornrows. Just have to take your left hand, you know, the hair at the middle, you're not actually picking it, you're just passing through the hair at the middle, and then grab the hair at the right hand side like this, and then this hair at the middle, you take it to your right hand, and then use your right hand to take the hair at the left. As you're doing it, you're grabbing the hair, like you're picking the hair bit by bit as you're braiding it. As you're braiding it, you're taking the hair bit by bit as you're braiding it. Just take from your left to your right hand, and then take a little section of hair, just like that. So guys, this is it for this cornrows. You guys see my lines are straight, looking all neat and beautiful. Guys, I cannot even believe that I was one that part this hair, because normally my lines are like it is well. My lines are not always this straight, but today I have a straight line. These lines are really straight, and I feel it's the pen and jam gel I used, or today is just my lucky day. You never can tell. Today is just my lucky day, because I know my cornrows are not this neat, like always this neat. So yeah, this is it for this video. Hope you guys find it helpful. Please leave your comment in the comment section. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video. Also subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed already. I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep